Okay. Manood tayo sa pwedeng mangyari, pwedeng hindi mangyari sa loob ng Senado sa araw na ito. Kasi Lunes ngayon, expect natin ngayon, ay meron kong ba nabasa kanina, sabi niya si Justice Lionel. Lionel ba yun? Ano, yung appoint ni Pinoy yun eh. Sabi niya, itong araw na ito, Lunes, maglalabas sila ng sagot. Kasi ang ginagawa kasi ng Korte Suprema, padaplis-daplis lang eh. Ako gusto ko, pagka ayaw nyo lang bigyan ng TRO si Bato, diretsuhin nyo na. At kung ano pa yung mga grounds, dapat sinabi nyo na. Kaya nung nilabas nyo yung gano'n, pagkatas meron pa palang dapat, sabi nga ng tao nung nakaraan, nung Biyernes, meron pa palang hintay sa Lunes. Kaya tama-tama yung nabasa ko nga kanina kay Assistant Justice Lionel. Kung ano ba yun, Lionel? Ba't kayo naman ganon? Para ninyo kaming tinatakaw. Hindi namin maintindihan. Ikaw, appointed ka alam ko, ni Ninoy. Sabi nga nila nung araw, bumaligtad ka na daw Dutertes ka na raw. Totoo ba yan? Hallelujah. Makinig na lang tayo sa diskusyon ni Karen at saka ni Diego. Ito dati nagkasama sa ABS-CBN kung anong araw. Sa hindi ko maalala kung ang title nung pinagsama ng dalawang ito nung araw eh. Okay? Makinig na lang tayo sa diskusyon para may tayong mapulot kahit paano sa nangyayari sa Senadong hindi ko malaman kung anong klase Senado meron tayo ngayon. Ang gulo-gulo. Sige.
Enlighten a number of our colleagues in the Senate to do the right things.
What would you have wanted to see that Senate President Alan Cayetano could have done to prevent what happened in the Senate? Anong dapat niyang ginawa? Or nung nagkaroon ng barilan, ano dapat nangyari?
Ang hirap kasi sabihin ano dapat eh. Unang-una, ano dapat hindi. Unang-una, hindi nila dapat kinukup si Senator Bato. Pangalawa, hindi nila dapat in-appoint yung kanyang mista na Sergeant at Arms, hindi ba? Everything was from the very beginning, everything went downhill. No? So sana, there was a point, I don't know if he was joking, but Senate President Alan said he might vote for Win someday. Let's see, if that might happen, we don't know. I doubt it though, but sabi nga nila in the Senate, after some time, nothing surprises you anymore.
You've been a senator for many, many years. Is this the first Congress wherein you've experienced that the divisions go beyond policy? Because what transpired between you and Senator Robin Padilla, for example, okay, you were accused of raising your voice at him, but there is video of you also reaching out your hand to Senator Robin, no, at the plenary wherein he actually stepped back and refused to shake your hand. Looking back, debates in the Senate have been quite passionate, right? Let's talk about Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago. It doesn't get any louder than that. But is this the most personal it has reached? Personalan na ba to?
Wala ako sa Senado, but noon, pero parang similarly, the emotions were very high during the impeachment trial of ERAP. And yes, at that time, the late Senator Miriam raised her voice repeatedly. But yes, kaya nga I was reaching out to, to make amends because sa akin, ang apat na termino ko sa Senado, kasama sa debate yung pagtataas ng boses. Pero, siyempre, kung maaaring iwasan, hanggang sa mga provincial board, hanggang sa mga municipal board, city council, alam ng mga lokal na opisyal yan, nagtataasan talaga ng boses. Pero pagkatapos, walang personalan, di ba? And that's why immediately I saw nothing wrong with reaching out my hand and saying, pasensya na, di ba? Humingi ng pasensya dahil nga nagkataas.
But to be fair, we saw that whole video. I mean, you did not insult Senator Padilla. You did not raise your voice insulting him. Your voice was raised because he was interrupting and you were still speaking. So you said, I still have the floor.
Yeah.
In fact, that was the moment that your voice was raised, just to be factual for our viewers. Meaning, you didn't raise your voice to insult him, per se. Walang ganon.
Wala talaga. Kaya nga nung sinabing magsasampa siya ng ethics case, I said, sige. Dahil alam ko sa karanasan ko sa pagiging senador at abogado, yung ganyang reklamo, mapupunta lang sa basurahan. Kasi walang basis to file an ethics complaint dahil nagkataasan ng boses.
Okay. All right. Now, are you willing to give it to him, his request, that be stricken off the record dahil baka may taga Mindanao, alam mo yun, nasigawan, and for you to apologize on the floor? Senator Pangilinan, is that something?
My position is the same. It was the same when I first said it. It remains the same. He said he would file an ethics case.
A complaint.
Then we will just wait for his complaint.
Now, I want to ask you this. Senator Pia Cayetano was quite emotional, right? That's gone around already in social media. You had some colleagues crying, even Senator Lauren Legarda. May mga kumalat na chat thread. Sabi, hindi nyo daw kinamusta. Diba? Ang ilang aligasyon, umalis nga kayo ng maaga. Matanong ko lang, Senator Kiko, nasan ka ba nun? Noong mga oras na yun?
I had a meeting with Angat Buhay, the foundation.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So I was out. I left a little after 5 p.m. And I was in the Pasay area. So, but we were monitoring kasi nga concerned kami doon sa mga nangyayari. And yeah, we knew there were shots fired, etc. But as I was monitoring, I saw the live streaming. Nakita ko nandun si Secretary John Vic Remulla kasama ng mga senador, so I assumed everything was okay. I didn't have to check on them anymore because I could see it live streaming na okay naman sila. So yun, that was.
Are you in that chat thread? The screenshot that has spread. Nasa chat thread ka ba na yun, sir?
Yes. Lahat ng senador. Kasi ano yun dyan namin sine-check yung agenda, etc. Siguro si Win, Sherwin said, not Sherwin, Erwin Tulfo said na nangumusta rin ako. Pero siguro hindi niya nabasa yung message ko kasi ang message ko bago nung nagkatutukan was I would not be able to sponsor one measure. Diba? Next week na. So, siguro nakita niya may post ako, akala niya kinukumusta ko siya. No, hindi ako kasama dun sa mga nangumusta sa text kasi nga I saw the whole I saw it live stream and I saw the photos and they were smiling, so I assumed they were okay and I saw no need to check on them.
Senator, who should be made accountable for Bato's escape? Sa totoo lang. Because number one, Senate President Alan Cayetano made it clear that he's under protective custody, but there was a warrant that the executive at one point wanted to implement, then said, we don't have orders to arrest Bato. You had the DILG secretary going inside the Senate, the PNP chief going in, and I interviewed Senator Trillanes, sabi nga niya, pati man lang nag-detail man lang ng tao, yung executive, para to make sure Bato does not leave. Who should be made accountable, Senator?
Well, right now, the investigation is ongoing, at least for the part of the Senate. We might have a committee of the whole look into this. So, maraming mga katanungan at maraming kinakailangan sagutin. No? Kami sa Senado, sa minority, the day after the change of leadership, we filed a resolution urging Senator Bato to voluntarily surrender and submit himself to to our court processes. And precisely because we didn't want the Senate dragged into this kind of controversy involving one of our members. But that was overtaken by all the events, unfortunately.
But who should be made accountable? I mean, yes, you said there's an investigation.
So let's wait for the investigation, Karen. I have my own personal thoughts, but in the end, let's wait for the investigation. The Senate has to explain, the leadership has to explain. And if their explanation is not satisfactory, then we will take it from there. Therefore, there are accountabilities. May mga pananagutan dapat.
Oo. Okay. Senator Malacanang has spoken and said they will enforce all arrest warrants issued by the ICC. Now, the ICC has also announced other names and other warrants may be issued soon.
Yes.
Okay? I think 2 or 3 other police officials, nabanggit yon, and Senator Bongo. So this is what I wanted to ask you. Having former President Duterte there would be one Filipino. Are you willing that if the ICC issues warrants on 5, 6 Filipinos, lahat yun ipadala sa ICC?
Para managot dun sa libo-libong pinatay? Yes.
Tama lang
And you
naman.
don't believe, sir, which some have asked, is that they first have their day in a local court. Diba yun ang sabi ni Senate President Alan Cayetano na sa Korea, sa Canada, kailangan dumaan muna sa local court nila. Pag inapprove ng local court or verify, doon lang ipapadala. That's when they'll cooperate.
Well, this is a matter that is now pending with the Supreme Court.
Yeah.
But until they have resolved it, Republic Act 9851
Allows.
that the executive department may surrender to an international court or tribunal those accused. So that's the law. If they want it changed, then the senators who are saying this now should file propose amendments to RA 9851. But until that is amended or clarified by the Supreme Court, that is the law. Therefore,
Now, Republic Act na,
the warrants should be enforced, and those involved should be arrested.
And Senator, there are some sectors who also say that si President Rodrigo Duterte, tama na yun. Yun na lang dapat na sa ICC. Yung iba dito na iisip.
Well, obviously, a national mass murder machinery cannot be done by one person. So there are others who have to account.
All right.
The issue here is crimes against humanity. Unfortunately, many of those who support the former president, have made the argument that foreigners, mga dayuhan, and uulitin ko, ang ICC 125 member countries. Hindi siya foreign court, siya ay isang international court. Nandyan ang Japan, nandyan ang New Zealand, nandyan ang Germany, nandyan ang iba-ibang bansa, na lahat yan hindi naman matatawaran ang kanilang pagiging nationalistic na pagmamahal nila sa sarili nilang mga bansa. So, hindi ito hindi dapat maniwala na mga dayuhan ang nangingibabaw dito sa ating sistema ng katarungan. Mali yun.
Yeah. Although I think the issue is the number of individuals
The Supreme Court
already.
has said in
Oo.
Pangilinan et al.
Yeah.
Versus Cayetano that even if we have withdrawn from the ICC, the Philippines, at the time that we were members of the ICC until 2019, any acts in violation of the Rome Statute can still be tried and may jurisdiction pa rin ng ICC. Sinabi yan ng Korte Suprema sa Pangilinan versus Cayetano. Kaya sana doon tayo sa mga sinasabi ng Korte Suprema. Doon tayo sa sinasabi ng batas. Huwag po tayo doon sa sinasabi ng mga ilang politiko na binabaluktot yung ating mga batas at yung mga bitiw na salita at ruling ng Korte Suprema.
Pero malinaw sinabi niyo ngayon, kumbaga kahit 2 senador ang isyuhan ng warrant ng ICC at ilan pang former police officials, basta 2 senador so far ang nabanggit, naniniwala kayo dapat ipadala sila, dapat mag-surrender sila sa ICC.
Yes, because that is part of our treaty obligations. The Philippines under Section 2, Article 3 of the
Oo.
Constitution.
Baka magtago na. Baka mangyari, Senator, hindi lang isa, 2 senador na ang magtago.
Well, dapat kasi inisip nila yung ginawa nilang Oakland double barrel. Diba? Na may pananagutan ang pagpatay sa libo-libong mga kababayan natin. Hindi ba? Nakakalungkot. In fact, I saw this video just
Sabi ng Diyos, Exodo 20:13, huwag kang papatay. Pumatay. Di natural, mananagot yung salita ng Diyos, huwag. O salitang pautos yun. Pag pumatay ka, di natural, magagalit ang Diyos dyan. Kaya mananagot ka. Kaya sinasabi kong 2 senador, si Bato at saka si Bongo yun.
kaya natin. Hindi ba? Nakakalungkot. In fact, I saw this video just the other day about tears, di ba? Yung nagkaiyakan kasi, di ba? So, ang sinabi nung kababayan natin, nasaan sila nung libu-libong mga kababayan natin ay pinatay na parang baboy. Nasaan sila nung umiiyak? Nasaan yung luha nila nung umiiyak ang mga anak na naulila, di ba? Ang mga naging nabalon, ang mga where were those tears? We
My last,
we
go
fought.
ahead.
We stood up against EJ case. Laila de Lima was jailed precisely because of her position on EJ case, our opposition. And so you go back to my question, Karen, we fought this from day one. And so you ask me, should they be brought to the ICC? Not because of revenge, but because of justice. And the ICC does not immediately come into play if they see that the Philippine courts are functioning. But what did they see last week? Not just the Philippine courts, the Philippine Senate was protecting someone wanted by the ICC.
Great, Chuba.
All right. My last question is the impeachment. I know you can't talk about the merits.
Kung kaya pala, sorry, tapusin ko
Go
lang.
ahead.
Kung kaya nilang guluhin, magkaroon ng kaguluhan sa Senado dahil sa isang wanted, ano kaya ang pwede pang gawin pag dinala yan sa ating mga hukom? I mean, di ba? And that's why, papalikan ko lang, sorry, medyo
Go
tahita.
ahead. Yeah.
Importante yung investigasyon sa Senado. Kasi hindi na dapat mangyari ulit itong naganap na pambarilan at pagtakas ng isang may warrant of arrest.
All right. My last question.
So, napakaganda paliwanag ni Senator Kiko, ano? Mayabang kasi si Cayetano eh. Mayabang. Saan ka nakakita eh? Pinoprotect. Kaya nga sabi nga sa social media, nasan nga naman kayo nung pinagbabaril, parang mga baboy, ang mga kababayan ninyo. Lumuwa ba kayo sa kanila? Sabi nga ni Pia Cayetano, wala nang nangungumusta sa amin. Sabi ng isang pare, bakit? Nangungumusta ba kayo sa mga biktima ng EJK? Double barrel? Tokang? Yan ang magandang tanong. Nangungumusta ba kayo sa kanila? Na hanggang ngayon, nagpupuyos ang kanilang mga puso sa inyong mga ginagawa. Wala silang magawa kasi maralita lang po sila. Samantalang kayo, mga mayayaman kayo at meron kayong posisyon na pinanghahawakan. Sige. Sana, ibigay ng Panginoon, Diyos na Will Gatchalian, sana mamaya siya na maging Senate President. God bless us all po sila.